Hey guys, how's it going? So, I don't know if this video is going to do very well, but I want to bring something up that I think NVIDIA is extremely overvalued. But before we talk about that, I just want to hit some major news. Well, I don't know if this is major news, but this happened before the weekend. Major Australian banks hit by website outage. So, that was, there was a big down day on Friday, so maybe this is part of the reason why. So we'll see what happens on Monday, but I think the market is going to be red all week. My opinion, not financial advice. Do what you want. But yeah, and right now as I'm making this video, the market is a little fluffy, not really red, but not really green, just kind of like floating sideways right now. But we'll see what happens on Monday. It could be green, it could be red. I don't know what to predict, but I'm thinking that the rest of this week will be a red week because, if we look on technical analysis of the SPY, we can see that the SPY is downtrending. So I'm thinking that the market is going to continue to sell off this week, but who knows, maybe I'm wrong. Gold is slightly up, silver is slightly down, oil is continuing, it's still bullishly green. And now moving on, so NVIDIA, I think NVIDIA is severely overvalued. But the thing is, there might be something in NVIDIA that, big money, because let's be honest, $464 billion is not controlled by retail investors, it's controlled by big money. Because if $464 billion was really controlled by retail investors, then, AMC would be $400 billion, right? Like, why not? Why don't all the retail investors pump AMC up to $464 billion? I don't think so. I think this is institutions, big money, billionaires, market makers, and all that pushing the price of the stock price up. But I think it's severely overvalued because NVIDIA is twice the value of Intel right now. Intel is a market cap of $224 billion, while NVIDIA is a market cap of 464. That means that NVIDIA is more than twice the value of Intel right now, and that makes absolutely no sense. That makes it seem like Intel is a huge discount. I know Intel has a little bit of problems right now, and NVIDIA is very innovative. They're like the Tesla. Tesla is like, I would consider Tesla overvalued because like Toyota makes so much more money than Tesla, and Tesla is almost three times the value of Toyota right now. So, and NVIDIA is, probably more innovative than Intel. They're acquiring ARM, so maybe the market is, rewarding NVIDIA for being innovative. But if we look at the financials of NVIDIA compared to the financials of Intel, we can see that NVIDIA made $4.5 billion in 1 year. By quarterly basis, they made about $2 billion of EBITDA, while Intel, on the other side, makes about $25.7 billion of EBITDA. For quarterly, they make about between $7 to $4 billion of revenue. So they make, in 1 quarter, they make as much revenue as NVIDIA makes the entire year, yet NVIDIA is more than twice the value of Intel. So does that make any sense to you guys? It makes absolutely no sense to me. I don't know why the market loves NVIDIA over Intel, and I really don't know how well this video is gonna do, but it's just something I kind of wanted to bring up. It could be a good short right now, simply because the market is red and NVIDIA is so overvalued right now that, you know, you could make a decent money off shorting NVIDIA stock. Put options right now for NVIDIA is not too expensive. It's not like AMC, right? So you could buy it, gamble that the end of the week, you know, NVIDIA goes down, buy maybe 1 or 2 put options. Not financial advice, just my humble opinion. You could make, you know, double your money, but again, not financial advice. You know, the market could be red and NVIDIA could just keep going higher and higher and higher and higher. So just be careful. You know, right now it looks like NVIDIA is getting into the overbought territory. MACD is at the very top, so I'm expecting it to pull back, but you know, that's just my opinion and not financial advice. Right now I have a 0 position in NVIDIA. I'm not short it, I'm not long it, I have 0 position in NVIDIA, but I'm thinking of buying some put options on NVIDIA just because I think they're severely overvalued compared to, you know, Intel. And AMD, I think I'm bullish on AMD, but because of the, you know, the market volatility right now, I'm kind of bearish on AMD too. So that's just, you know, my opinion. We'll see what happens in the future. But anyways, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.